Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Ugg Kit Care is probably one of the most essential investments you can make to preserve the pristine condition and extend the lifespan of your beloved Ugg boots, ensuring they remain a stylish and comfortable staple in your wardrobe for seasons to come. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. This versatile cleaner works wonders on fabric, leather, and even delicate materials like suede and nubuck. Keep all your sneakers looking their best. The included bottle and brush make cleaning simple and effective. Achieve a spotless finish with minimal effort. Worried about white sneakers getting dirty? This kit is specially formulated to tackle tough stains and restore their original brightness. Our formula is tough on dirt but gentle on your shoes. It effectively cleans without causing damage, preserving the quality of your footwear. Invest in the longevity of your shoes with this all-in-one cleaning solution. It's the perfect addition to your shoe care routine. What we like? This cleaner is designed to tackle a wide range of materials, from leather to suede. If you have a diverse shoe collection with different materials, this is a great all-in-one solution. It's perfect for those who want a single product to maintain various types of footwear. What people say. This kit has everything you need to clean and protect your Ugg boots. The protector spray works great to keep my boots looking new. The brush is effective at removing dirt and scuffs. Number 4. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit, your ultimate solution for keeping all your favorite shoes looking brand new. It's designed to tackle dirt and stains on a variety of materials. Whether you have fabric, leather, or delicate suede and nubuck sneakers, this kit is perfect for you. It gently yet effectively cleans without damaging your shoes. The included bottle and brush make cleaning a breeze. Achieve a professional clean right at home with minimal effort. Keep your white sneakers looking pristine with this powerful cleaner. It's specifically formulated to lift away dirt and restore their original brightness. Our formula is tough on stains but gentle on materials. You can trust it to refresh your footwear, extending their lifespan and appearance. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for comprehensive shoe care. Experience the miracle of clean with Pink Miracle. What we like? This cleaner is designed to tackle a wide range of materials, from leather to suede. If you have a diverse shoe collection with different materials, this is a great all-in-one solution. It's perfect for those who want a single product to maintain various types of footwear. What people say. The Ugg Australia Sheepskin Boot Cleaner and Conditioner is a 2-in-1 product that cleans and conditions sheepskin, suede, leather, and nubuck. It effectively removes dirt, grime, and stains from footwear, restoring the material's natural softness and appearance. The formula is designed to protect against water and stains, helping to maintain the look and longevity of your Ugg boots. Number 3. Instant Sneaker Cleaner 10-pack. Introducing the Instant Sneaker Cleaner, your ultimate solution for spotless shoes. This premium kit is designed for all your footwear needs. Our kit features a dual-sided sponge for effective cleaning. It's perfect for tackling dirt and scuffs on your favorite sneakers. The gentle rub design ensures a thorough clean without damaging your shoes. It's safe for both men's and women's sneakers. Whether it's tennis shoes or everyday sneakers, this cleaner works wonders. Keep your footwear looking brand new with ease. Get a convenient 10-pack for long-lasting freshness. Maintain your shoe collection effortlessly with this essential cleaning solution. What we like? These offer a quick and easy cleaning solution with their dual-sided sponges. If you're looking for a convenient way to freshen up your sneakers on the go or need a supply for multiple pairs, this 10-pack is ideal. They are gentle enough for everyday use on various sneaker types. What people say. This kit includes a brush, cleaner, and protector spray. The cleaner effectively removed dirt and scuffs from my boots. The protector spray provided good water resistance. Number 2. Classic Suede and Nubuck Cleaner 4-Way Brush. Introducing the ultimate tool for suede and nubuck care. This brush is designed to bring your favorite footwear back to life, making them look as good as new. Forget about multiple cleaning products. Our innovative 4-way brush head is all you need to effectively clean and maintain your Suede items. It's a standalone solution for a spotless finish. Tired of brushes that just move dirt around? This brush is engineered to lift and separate even the most stubborn dirt and scuff marks, ensuring a thorough clean without damaging the material. With its specialized rubber bristles, including a rounded welt and a thin welt brush, it effortlessly cleans every crevice. No corner of your shoes will be left untouched, especially those hard-to-reach seams. Experience the power of dual-action cleaning. The combination of sturdy brass and flexible nylon bristles works together to dislodge and lift dirt effectively. Achieve a deep clean with minimal effort. This brush provides a powerful clean without requiring excessive pressure. It's designed to be tough on dirt but gentle on your delicate Suede and Nubuck materials, preserving their texture and appearance. What we like? This brush is a powerhouse for restoring shoes, especially those with heavy dirt and scuff marks. If you have beloved Suede or Nubuck items that need deep cleaning and restoration without the need for additional products, this is your go-to tool. Its unique design reaches every corner for a thorough clean. What people say. This kit includes a brush, cleaner, and protector spray. The cleaner effectively removed dirt and scuffs from my Ugg boots. The protector spray helped repel water and prevent future stains. Number 1. Angelus Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Angelus Shoe Cleaner Kit, your all-in-one solution for keeping your footwear looking its best. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a thorough clean. Our powerful formula is safe for a wide range of materials, including Suede, Nubuck, vinyl, canvas, and all types of leather. It gently cleans without causing any damage. Don't let dirt, salt, or grease ruin your favorite shoes. This cleaner effectively removes tough stains, restoring them to their original glory. Cleaning your shoes has never been easier. The included brush and microfiber towel ensure a simple and efficient cleaning process, followed by quick drying. Crafted with care in the USA by Angelus Shoe Polish, a brand trusted for generations. Experience the quality of domestically made shoe care products. What we like? This kit provides everything you need for a professional clean, including a brush and towel. If you prioritize high-quality, domestically produced products and need a reliable cleaner safe for all your footwear materials, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want a complete, trusted solution for shoe maintenance. What people say. The UGG Australia Sheepskin Boot Cleaner and Conditioner is a great product that effectively cleans and conditions sheepskin boots. It helps to remove dirt, stains, and water spots, while also restoring the natural color and softness of the boots. The formula is gentle and safe for all types of sheepskin, including Suede and Nubuck. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.